The Frigidaire washer E23 error code indicates a problem with the washer's water temperature sensor, or the electrical circuit that controls it. This sensor is responsible for monitoring the water temperature during the wash cycle, and if it fails, the washer will not be able to regulate the temperature properly. To fix the E23 error code, first, check the user manual to see if there are any specific instructions for resetting the washer or troubleshooting the error code. If not, proceed with the following steps. Check the water temperature sensor for any signs of damage or corrosion. If the sensor is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Check the electrical connections to the sensor to ensure they are secure and not loose. If the connections are loose, tighten them and see if the error code clears. If the sensor and connections are okay, the problem may be with the control board or the wiring harness. In this case, it is recommended to contact a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the issue. Before calling a technician, try to reset the washer by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. This can sometimes clear the error code and resolve the issue. It is also a good idea to check the washer's drain pump filter to ensure it is not clogged. A clogged filter can cause the washer to malfunction and display error codes. To prevent future occurrences of the E23 error code, make sure to regularly check and maintain the washer's water temperature sensor and electrical connections. Also, ensure the washer is properly installed and leveled to prevent any damage to the internal components. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Frigidaire washer E23 error code and get your washer working properly. Again, if the issue persists, it is recommended to contact a professional appliance repair technician for further assistance.